My brain is literally not working. Hey babes, welcome to my channel, Just Bernie. My name is Bernadette. All my friends and subscribers call me Bernie. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you turn on that notification bell. That way you will be notified every time I upload new videos just like this. For all the returning Bernie babes, welcome back and thank you guys so much for your support. I really do appreciate you. For the Bernie babes in the making, you know you're the ones, you come over, you kiki with us, we love you. However, we would love to have you join the growing Bernie babe fam by hitting the big red subscribe button right there. Don't even think about it, just go ahead and hit it. One big perk, you will be able to turn on your notification bell. Set it to all, that way you won't miss any activities I have here on YouTube. Yeah, that's it, just like that, easy peasy. That's all you have to do. As you see from the thumbnail, we reviewed this skin tint here from Estee Lauder. This was released last year, I want to say late fall, early winter. This is Estee Lauder Futurist Skin Tint Serum with Botanical Oil Infusion, Broad Spectrum SPF 20. The last skin tint I attempted to review was from Hourglass, the Hydrating Skin Tint. If you saw that video, you know how that went. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to link it right in the cards. Right after you're done watching this video, you can go ahead and take a look at that. Did this hold up? It says it's radiant, hydrating, light coverage. Sounds like what Hourglass said, right? If you want to find out if Estee Lauder's skin tint lived up to its lofty claims, what are you going to have to do? That's right, keep watching. Until next time, please be safe. Bye. Guys, I hope you are all doing well. It is Saturday when I'm filming. This video should be up early next week, so I hope you had a wonderful weekend and you're having a great work week. We're going to try to keep today's video short. We are going to be reviewing this right here. This is Estee Lauder's newest foundation. It's a skin tint. This is their Futurist Skin Tint Serum Foundation with botanical oils and SPF 20. My skincare is done, which means this is your daily weekly reminder. SPF is part of the skincare routine and you should not be skipping it. Today's SPF is this one here from Shiseido. This is Shiseido's Wrinkle Smoothing Day Cream with broad spectrum SPF 23 sunscreen. I have been really enjoying this. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but it's really nice. I really do enjoy SPFs like this because I can kill one bird with two stones. It's also a moisturizer. The purpose of this segment is never to tell you which SPF to use. It is to remind you SPF is part of our skincare routine and we should not be skipping it. In addition to this being linked in the description bar, I will have at least 2 SPF that are a little bit more on the affordable size for you. All links in the description bar are affiliate links, which means should you make a purchase, I will receive a commission, which I would really appreciate, as all funds does go into keeping the channel going. We're going to start off by priming. As you guys already know, this is the only primer I seem to be able to use these days. This is DRMTLGY's #1 primer. It is described as skincare meets makeup. It blurs pores. This really gives you a very, very nice base. Before I use that though, I do want to hydrate my skin a little bit more. I'm going to go on with this right here from Charlotte, the Magic Cream. So this is, as I said, Estee Lauder's latest latest foundation. This was launched, I want to say, late last year. I have not seen many reviews of this on YouTube with people that looks like me, so I'm quite interested to see how it works. It comes in 29 shades. The price of this is $55. You're going to be getting 1 fluid ounce. This is the second most expensive skin tint I own, second only to the one by Westman Atelier, which is $69. I have it in the shade 6W1 Sandalwood. That's the shade I wear at all Estee Lauder foundations. Estee Lauder normally does a really good job transferring shade from one formula to the next. I'm expecting that this will work for me. This is described as a silky skin caring serum foundation with all-day color true wear that visibly improves skin over time by evening and smoothing appearance and moisturizing, so you'll get a glow with soft radiance. So this is claiming to have skincare properties. The coverage is described as light, the finish is radiant. Yeah, it's a standard, you know how the story go. We all know how the story go nowadays. These are no longer foundations, they are skincare with a little bit of color. I'm being very facetious. I said do not be skipping on your skincare routine because all these foundations are claiming to be skincare. It is great, especially for those of us that are over 40. We can wear makeup without feeling like it's going to, damage our skin. Instead, it actually benefits our skin. Do not be skipping out on skincare thinking your foundation got you covered because the foundation has skincare properties. I don't know, my tongue is twisted. That's when I'm actually able to remember and pronounce the right word. I don't know what's going on there. My dad and all of his brothers, they stutter really bad, with my dad being the worst one. I've noticed with age, I'm starting to stutter, and none of the grandchildren, meaning my grandparents' grandchildren, none of us stutter. So me, my brother, my sister, and all of my first cousins, none of us stutter. But I've noticed, like, especially since my dad died, I stutter quite a bit. I don't know what's up with that. I'm feeling a little bit nervous because I'm hearing about this hydration, and the last time a skin tint claimed that it was going to be hydrating, hydration should sue Hourglass for defaming its name. Looking a little bit light, but Estee Lauder foundations tend to look a little bit light when I first put them down, and then I see once I start blending it. So I'm gonna go right to where I have that dry situation going on. I'm going in for a facial on Tuesday. I'm gonna be bringing you guys, I'm gonna be doing a little vlog. I am really hoping that my esthetician could work on this, on trying to help me rid myself of that. The shade definitely matched. Like I said, Estee Lauder does a really good job transferring this shade anyway over from different formulas. It looks very pretty on first application, melted straight into the skin. Paying attention to see, because I realized when I was editing that video, the one where I tried to use Hourglass skin tint, that was clinging and showing problems right off the gate. Even as I was singing his praises, it was revealing itself. So far it's looking okay. I do see a little bit of clinging right here. Let's go on the other side. So I filmed a video yesterday using Fenty Beauty's stick skin tint. That video I had said we were going to be doing a easy no makeup look, but I'm not sure which one is going to go up first. Depending on which one goes up first, you will see that that look ended up being a full face. We were planning to go out for dinner last night, but after filming a couple of videos, I was really tired and exhausted, and we ended up not going out to dinner. I'm not sure if he's still thinking about going to dinner tonight, so I don't know. I'm gonna try to keep this, light. Looking for a good skin tint for the summer months. We don't have a long winter period on this side of the globe. I'm looking here and I'm feeling like it's doing the same thing as the one from Hourglass. It's call it 2 o'clock, it's 1:56. If this has to come off, I won't be able to film today. When I'm putting makeup on, I like my skincare to sit on my skin and be absorbed into my skin. But I had to abort mission on that skin tint from Hourglass. It was, I think, about an hour and change in between when I stopped and me feeling like my skincare was on long enough for me to proceed. And as I said, I did film yesterday. I work 3 days back to back this week. I know that may not sound like a lot for most people, but for me, that's a lot. It leaves me really exhausted. So I worked, I mean, yesterday would have made me working 4 days back to back. When I said I worked, I meant I worked doing accounting. I had a lot of work I needed to catch up on for my husband's business, the new one, his newest project. I worked this whole week trying to catch up, and I'm gonna need a day off. So tomorrow I'm gonna take off. I won't be editing or anything. All of the time I work remotely from my bedroom. The wonders of modern technology has really made it easy for me being sick, allowing me to work. But just because I'm sitting down doesn't mean I'm not left exhausted after I work a couple of days in a row. It takes a toll on me. My body is very lazy. She was always lazy. In Crohn's defense, it was always lazy. When I say lazy, I don't mean I'm a lazy person. I mean manual labor killed a few people I know, and I've always known I was not going to be doing manual labor for a living. Crazy enough, I wanted to be a mechanic. I don't know where I was going with that, but I wanted to be a mechanic. So I went to government school in the Bahamas, and at government school you actually come out with a trade. You from the 9th through 12th grade, whatever career path you are planning on going down, you get to work in that or train in that industry for your last 3 years of school. So I ended up doing cosmetology. It's not because I wanted to be a cosmetologist. It was because at the end of 9th grade, you would decide what you wanted to do, and you would get to put down your first, second, and then third choice. If there was too many students in the course, you may not be able to do what you wanted to do. I wanted to be a mechanic. I have no idea where I was going with that. That's what I wanted to do. So I put mechanic. Camera was acting crazy, so I needed to hurry up before she blacked out again. All right, babes, I am done. The look ended up going in a different direction. I ended up creating a face ready for a date night. I used these two from Marnie Beauty in the same shade. This is the Neo Melting formula. It's like a cream to powder. And then this is the Luminous Powder formula. I've seen me use the formula lots of times. My camera is acting up. I don't know what's going on with it. It keeps blacking out. Now let's talk about the one star of today's show, which is this right here from Estee Lauder. The Estee Lauder Futurist Skin Tint Serum with Botanical Oil Fusion SPF 20. This claims to be a light coverage radiant finish foundation. As you guys can see, I was able to build the coverage up to a light medium coverage, so you can definitely get decent coverage from it if you build it up. It is light. I have a full face going on, and it doesn't feel like I have makeup on at all. It is a nice natural radiant finish, exactly what I like. I did notice on this side, when I started to blend in my concealer, the concealer did something a little bit weird. I'm not sure what's going on there. I did use these two concealers here, both of which I really do like, and I know how they behave. So whatever's happening here is only on this side here. Whatever that is, it is something within the foundation. But I really love this. This could be a really nice foundation for summer, or as I said, date night. It's 410. I've had it on for about two and a half hours. First impressions of it is a 9.5, and definitely something I'm going to continue to try, and also try to update you guys on. I want to try to kind of be a little bit better on updating you guys on foundations when I review them, because a review is always my first impressions. I feel like if I continue to wear it and then give you an update maybe on everything I reviewed for a month or maybe a quarter, we'll see how that's going to work out. Now that you guys have seen how this foundation looks, now it's time for me to hear from you. Have you tried it? Are you more likely to try it now that you've seen my review of it? I'm starting to get really stuffy. I'm not sure what's going on, but I'm starting to feel like I'm getting stuffy. So we're gonna wrap this up, guys. As always, thank you for spending part of your day with me. I really do appreciate it. However, if you have not yet done so, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. That does tell YouTube not to mess with my videos. If you are not yet a Bernie babe, I am not sure what you're waiting on. Maybe you're gonna have to tell me, what are you waiting on? What else do you want? Okay, in that case, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. That way you will be notified every time I upload new videos just like this. Until next time, guys, please be safe. Bye.